What's happening? What it do? What I wanted to share real quick. Oh yeah. Check me out. I'm an overcomer. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I overcome shit. And I'm on these platforms to show others that y'all could too. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what life about. To me. You know what I'm saying? Overcoming. I done overcame hatred, fucking addiction, humiliation, poverty, you know what I'm saying? Rejection. You feel me? A nigga had to overcome those things, man. It's a lot. The list goes on, my nigga. The list goes on, but in order to overcome me personally, I had to build these relationships. You know what I'm saying? I had to stop being judgmental and just build the relationships. In order to overcome hate, you gotta build a relationship with love. In order to overcome poverty, you gotta build a relationship with money management. You feel what I'm saying? In order to overcome humiliation, you got to build a relationship with confidence. So that's just what I do. I'm here to show people that they can overcome by being an example. You know what I'm saying? And overcoming don't got no expiration date on it. You know what I'm saying? So like, ain't no how can I say this? Like, ain't no time frame on when you can start or not. Like, you know what I'm saying? You can start right now. Like, it's never too late to start overcoming shit. Basically. So, yeah, man, it's like, that's just what I do. You know what I'm saying? I might not have the most motion. I might not be the rawest. But I know for a motherfucking fact, I'm a real overcomer. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes that's all it takes. That right there alone is all it takes. Boy. Yeah, my fault. I had to recheck this shit, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, I might not be the nigga with the most this and that and the third. I might not be the nigga with the most that and the third and this. You feel what I'm saying? But like I said, I am a true overcomer, and sometimes that's all it takes. Sometimes that's all you need to qualify to be in them rooms as the ones who got the motion and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? A nigga like myself. So that being said, it's all love, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm just wanting to address that with you. You know. Yo.